Hi everybody, my name is Danielle Wheeler and welcome back to Willing Toward Success. So this is a bittersweet moment because I've decided to close out season 3, and the best word to describe what's been going on behind the camera is crazy. Our production team got sick, and then it was 100+ degrees here in Philadelphia, so I have asthma, so I opted out not to film as well. And then we lost a lot of footage due to technical issues. So I just decided if I can't give you the best possible work that I can give, if it's not quality approved and not up to my standard, I'd just rather not put it out there. So I'm so sorry, but I'm coming back with something bigger and better in season 4. We're gonna talk about deeper topics such as, sexual assault, the LGBTQ community, certain issues that arise there, family issues, friendships, sibling rivalries. We're gonna talk about it all. And then season 5 we'll go back into, our day-to-day struggles. But I just feel like it's so important to get into these deeper topics, especially having Tyrizzi Bay on, who shared her experience. If you guys didn't see that video, please go back and check it out because she was the inspiration for season 4. So thank you for that, and we appreciate you coming on, truly. But I'm gonna miss you all. I am actually taking a break from filming and social media, so I will not be posting or doing anything all of August. So if you do not see anything posted, it's not because I'm a one-hit wonder. It's because I'm taking a break to relax, come up with more creative ideas for the channel, to network and meet people, just so I can give you the best quality that I can think of. And it'd be good, it'd be great, because I really want to help you ladies in the best possible way that I can, and this is my platform, and I'm going to use it the best way that I can. But thank you so much for sticking with me. Hang in there. I really do need a break. I got a lot going on. But thank you all for tuning in, and I'll see you back in September 1st. Bye.